Maging totoo tayo, organic growth is slow. Kailangan ng oras, kailangan ng consistency, at hindi agad-agad ang visibility. Manual outreach is exhausting. Kung araw-araw kang nagme-message, nagko-comment, at umaasa sa personal persuasion, nakakapagod yan long-term. Structured paid traffic speeds up visibility. Kapag may malinaw kang system, ads become amplifier. Pero, tandaan, ads don't fix weak models. Inilalantad lang nila kung may butas ang structure. This opportunity, when combined with proper ads, shows scalability potential. May defined positioning, may clear na process, may structured flow. And this is the real structure.